Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Want to share with you my own trading experience and to show how easy to make money on binary option platforms. I'm using the IQ option. I'm using it all the time and suggest you to go to the description of this video to find the link and to join the platform, because this is absolutely interesting tool to make money online. And if you have $10 to start, and I believe that everybody has $10, you can start without no doubt. So find the link in the description panel, go via that link, pass the registration, and let's have some fun. The main point of this platform is that it gives you tons of opportunities to make money on. For example, 58 available assets right now in this moment in the Forex. So there's options like binary and digital up to, as you can see, 94-95%, stocks of course, and the Forex. Let's talk about Forex today. A couple minutes ago you saw how I pressed the buy button, because right here I think that market is near to the bottom for okay, and here the same situation. Here the situation is the same, and it start growing a little bit, so let's press the buy button also. There's difference between the binary options. In the binary options, everything is in the bottom. Okay, the point is, in the binary options you have the time slot to make your own prediction, to make your own decision which way the price will go, and to buy or to sell, to press buy or to sell. Right here we can see that price was in the heights. Right now it fell down a little bit, but I believe that it will grow. That's why I pressed the buy button, and in a minute I've made already like 5% of profit. This is pretty interesting, because any profit that you can get in a minute, it's already very interesting. If you tried at least once to make your own online business and to make your own extra income in internet, I think that you saw that it's pretty complicated and pretty long time. You need to spend much more time than on this platform. So if you're gonna use for example this platform for couple minutes daily, couple minutes, I'm not talking about hours. If you're gonna spend hours on it, it would be great, and you can make your like income with great numbers, with really great numbers. So if you can see that less than in couple minutes there's 11% of profit, plus here we have 6%, here we have 6%, here we have 3%. So it's not bad tool to make money online and to make it fast. Of course, fast investment are pretty risky. You should know that before you start it. And I'm saying the truth in all of my videos. I'm saying do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, because this is important. I want you to be the profitable trader, and I want you to be the money maker. All right, not the money loser. So first of all, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. But I believe that everybody has $10, and $10 is the minimum of the deposit on this platform. So even from $10, you can make a profit already. You just need to find the link in the description panel of this video, go to the platform, pass the registration, confirm your email, make your deposit, and start trading. Because this is pretty easy. You just have two buttons, two directions, and you need to choose which way the price will go. In that case, I pressed the buy button, the green one, and right now in a couple minutes I have 16%, 15%, and 13 and 10, almost 10% on other assets. And you can trade on a lot of assets, not at only one. There's of course the plenty tools. For example, this one widget in left corner. This widget shows how all the traders who are on the platform right now thinking about the movement of the price, and you can make your own decisions based on this widget. Not always this working. It's like 50-50 right now. Anyway, you need to make your own decisions. Anyway, you need to press one or other button and decide which volume of which amount of investment to make in this time. I'm using $100. I can afford such loss even if I'm gonna lose money and the price will go the opposite way, the way that I didn't need. But right now everything is happening pretty amazing, and like in a couple minutes I've made 20% of profit in the minutes. If you're at least once interested to open your own business, for example, in internet, you know that you need to spend much more time. You need to know marketing, sales, etc., etc. So right here you don't need to know a lot of information. You just need to choose from 2 buttons, and when you see that the profit, for example, is quite okay for the moment, you can close the deal. If you see that the price is going the wrong way, you can close the deal with a minimum loss and try again. So while you staying on the platform, you're able to make money. Like here we can see that 22%, 23%. We can wait until the price will go higher, or like 22% from one deal is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. In internet and all over the world, the experts saying that if you have the business that gives you 50% of profit per year, this is great business. But here on this platform, you can make 20% in minutes, literally in minutes. And if you're gonna spend on the platform like hours, imagine how much money you can make. For example, 23%, that's enough. In my own opinion, that's enough to close this position. Closing plus 21. What's happening with this position? Also, let's close it. And I'm leaving the platform. I'm going out from the platform with a profit, and this is the main thing. And there's, let's see how much, 58 assets that you can trade on. $10. Invest just $10 and see what's gonna be in the minutes. Like, you need to spend a couple minutes and literally $10. If you have $100, great, you can make your first deposit with $100 and try to make like 200 and 300 and after 4 and 5 and thousands, etc. So you just need to have some free time, internet connection, and your laptop or your smartphone. All you need to do is just to go to the description panel of this video to find the link, go via the link and use it, pass the registration, confirm your email, make your deposit, and be much more happier than you are today. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Wish you good luck and wish you big profits. See you in the next one. Bye.